to set up remote controls GE45600, and it's to make it work with SmartThings. If you're using SmartThings hubs, it's not going to be controlled by SmartThings, but you can set it up if you using SmartThings. So first you need to add it to your SmartThings as the remote control before you can set your light and program to control from this remote. So here you go. First thing you have to do is to reset your remote control. So what you do is you press setup and hold until you have 2 blinks, green and red twice. Okay, now you go and press 9, 6, 9 until you see 2 blinks, 2 green blinks. That means the remote reset. So now you're ready to set up with your SmartThings. And I have application already open on the iPhone, or you can do or open on your Droid phone. Now you press setup again and hold until you have 2 blinks, green and red, and then you dial 9, 6, 7, and you see green light blinking. That means it's ready to connect. So we go now to our SmartThings app and just make it new, connect new device. So on the option here, you connect new device and you dial connect now. So now it's looking for new device. So it's gonna blink twice, green, 1, 2. So now it's found new device and it's ready to connect. So what we do is just go and tap to configure. You can change name of your device if you want to, or just leave it as Z-Wave remote. So we're gonna leave it out, and we're gonna click next, and just done. So that means everything connected. So now your remote is ready to control lights, but not individual yet. You can control all lights already. So you can press hold, and you can shut all the lights off in the house that connected to SmartThings, or turn all the light on with any button, on or off. Okay. Now we're gonna configure each individual switches for each individual button. So what we're gonna do is press setup and hold until 2 blinks, green and red. Now we're gonna go add light and select one of the 9 devices, actually 18 devices, because you can do shift and select one of them on the second row. So now we do 1, and it's gonna do red, green light blinking. So that's ready to connect our first switch. And we go to the switch and just dial on and off, and you see 2 green light just blink. That means our switch is connected. So you could see it's gonna be controlled now by our remote. So I can do light just to make sure it's in the lights position, and I can control off, and then let's bring the light down off. So now it's showing on the switch that the light is off, and then I go on, and it's going to turn the light on. Also I can zoom, press hold, and actually dim the light down when I hold it, or make it brighter when I hold it up. Okay, so that's a dimmable operation. Mini remote doesn't do that feature, so you get a little bit better feature with this remote, although it's kind of big and bulky, but it does remote control up to 18 devices, and you can dim all these devices if a dimmable switch. So this switch is dimmable, and I have 3-way controller with this switch already connected. So either way it works with this remote. You could see I can turn it off, on, or dim the light with this remote. So that's about it for this tutorial, how to connect with the SmartThings GE45600 and 45601. I believe it's about the same setup. Anyway, you can leave your comments or questions down below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.